Welcome to India. India's success in the ICT industry has now been acknowledged globally and has completely changed the external evaluation and impression of India. As the largest comprehensive telecom operator in India, Airtel has the largest number of mobile subscribers. Recently, Airtel has devoted itself to home broadband. What were the drivers for Airtel getting into this?
We have close to about 47 million fixed line connections in India, and from that close to about 26 home broadband connections. We are the first ones to roll out ADSL 2+ technology in India. We could clearly see 2 years before that with the advent of Apple TV, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar kind of usage growing up in the homes, the kind of speeds that we are providing is not going to be sufficient, and we had to do something about it. So 2 years back, we along with Huawei partnered together in order to revamp our complete fixed line network in order to reap the benefits of the copper gold mine that we had in all high net worth geographies. So we could clearly see the advent of home broadband becoming very, very big. And these geographies where we were already present, we could leverage it in the best possible fashion.
How did Airtel execute this project? I'm here at Airtel with Mr. Varaprasad to find out how.
Migrating all these 2.8 million customer base to 100 Mbps speeds along with the core equipment, which is a monolithic boxes, together with the OSS system, required a huge effort from our side. What we have done is breaking these projects into micro projects of access, core, and the automation pieces of the OSS systems. All these three are synchronized and have been done a meticulous planning by both the Huawei and Airtel teams. All these things to put together have been completed in all 15 months, which is one of the record-breaking time what we can feel, and Airtel is proud of achieving this. Any other operator would have done it in much more longer time.
It sounds like a very complicated and difficult engineering project. So I'm here with Rakesh Kumar, who can tell me what is key to make that happen.
The key is resting on three pillars. One is the brilliant strategy, which is leveraging our network strengths, the Airtel strengths. Second is selecting of a capable partner who has the requisite experience and wherewithal to execute. And third is flawless execution. Sometimes I feel, it is better to explore answers there out in the field yourself. And I think you'll get more insights and answers if you go to this address.
Hello.
Hi.
I was wondering what you've done to implement CEOs.
First of all, welcome to CEO. This is the small unit which we have for our broadband customer. This is the unit which is doing the vectorization. From here, the small unit, we are serving 768 customers. This is providing the speed up to 1.5 kilometer. Beyond that, we are putting new equipment. We are moving the equipment downwards. Let me take to that place and you will get to know more. This is the complete unit. 192 customers we are serving from here. So we are using the copper bandwidth and we are using the power on the copper. We are putting this node near to our customer. With this, we are able to provide the high bandwidth to our customer. This is FDPS terminal. This supports 768 vector line.
Completion of bandwidth acceleration means that the internet access speed can be obviously improved. How should Airtel upgrade the O&M system for faster service provision? Let's take you to the next place to show you.
Hi.
I think you want to show me that the working status is different from that in the past.
Both the voice and DSL provisioning is completely automated. So now this has helped us actually in delivering error-free and the faster service delivery. So Huawei OSS has greatly improved our efficiencies, and more importantly, the activation accuracy is now over 90%. And we have got diagnostic tools also like NA and Network Analyzer and TMS. So these types of tools are helping us in remote hearing of CPs as well as pinpointing the exact copper fault.
Within a short span of 1 year, we have been able to transform our network and bring about 70 to 80% of our customer base in the modernized network, which is ready to offer 16 and 40 Mbps speeds to our customers. And by next quarter, we will use the same network to offer 100 Mbps speeds. Now, What we have seen, the customer response has been very encouraging, and our churn, is down by 40%, and that is not a very mean achievement. Customers are pleasantly surprised by our high-speed offerings. We are already rolling out FTTH services very aggressively using the same cabinet, and therefore, it tends to leverage our network offerings.
The fixed network modernisation of Airtel is the largest scale vectoring, reconstruction and acceleration project in the world. Its successful deployment has great significance to Asia Pacific and even the entire EM market. Nobody can deny that they could achieve such business miracles in the same time frame.